Okay, this is a 2007 Audi S8. That's the D3 model. And this is obviously different from the A8. This is the hood latch. So twin hood latches. One, two. And it has two cables that go under here and pop out right there and go to this lovely little device. Now mine broke on the previous owner, and in theory he replaced these two guys, but I don't think he replaced this part. So this whole unit and then the cable that goes all the way down there to inside the car did not get replaced. At least I don't think they did. The cable inside seems to be a little bit too long, but if I just pull on this guy here, you can see it's got some slack now, then the cable is the right length inside. However, there's now too much slack in here. So I need somebody with an Audi S8 D3, not an A8, to do me a favor and go and open their hood and take some pictures or video of where this bad boy goes. Now you can see right there, there's this piece here. Hang on. This here, I need to know if just the cables sit inside here. Get a better picture. Or if that box sits inside of here. I think it's just the cables, because I measured these new cables and they're the right length compared to the part number on FCP Euro. And if I put this box in there, then the cables are just going to be too damn long. So I think the cables sit inside there, pop out just there through that gap, if you can see that. And then I think this is meant to sit in something. That's what I'm asking too. Does anybody have this sitting inside a little latch or hook? And then I need video showing where this cable goes. This is the cable here, going to the back of the car. It goes through this guy and then disappears behind the water bottle, and obviously through the firewall. So if somebody do me a solid and take a picture and or videos of what theirs does, I would certainly appreciate it. This is what that little bracket looks like. Get light on it, that I think just this part sits in. Thanks.